You need the jacket as we get the day started. Temperatures in the 20s across northwest Arkansas. Good morning to you. Benton, Madison, Washington, Carroll counties into eastern Oklahoma, Adair and Delaware counties. We're starting with temperatures again ranging through the lower to upper 20s. This will be one of our coldest mornings. Afternoon temperatures and overnight temperatures going to be on the rise the next few days. Looking at east central Oklahoma, west central Arkansas, mostly 20s to some low 30s. Eastern areas, once again, the coldest. Scott, Logan, Johnson, Pope counties, upper teens, low 20s. About 5 to 8 degrees warmer than we were Sunday. Sunday was nicer, still chilly though, but nicer compared to Saturday. Trending up here, so that warming trend is going to continue the next couple of days. We're into the mid to upper 50s, northwest Arkansas. Not a bad Monday for you there. Again, seasonal average for this time of year, closer to around 53 degrees. We're going to be 20 degrees above average by the time we get into Wednesday. That'll be the fourth straight work week that we've seen in a row since we came out of that deep freeze in the middle of January. Fourth straight week where we'll see temperatures 15 to 20 degrees above average at some point during the work week. We're looking at low 60s with a few upper 50s in our coolest spots for the River Valley. Clear skies, 30s. Probably have a few 20s in our coldest spots going into tomorrow. Tuesday, we get light winds, but warmer air continues to build. So we got 50s, 60s today. We go 60s, 70s Tuesday. Widespread 70s across 5 country on Wednesday. South winds pick up even stronger, bringing in warmer air, bringing in more moisture, a little higher humidity for us. It's not going to be muggy, but there will be more moisture in the air. That'll help build in cloud cover. And then we could see maybe even a little patchy drizzle as we go into Wednesday night. But as we get into Thursday, that'll be our next front. Not a big blast of cold air on the backside of it. But it does bring a chance for a shower, maybe a rumble of thunder. I think there's better rain and thunderstorm chances in southern Missouri on Thursday. We'll watch that. Northwest Arkansas overall has that best rain chance. As we look at the 7-day forecast, again, there's your cool down. 60s going into Friday, not bad. The cool down going into last Friday was a lot worse than this one. So again, we start to warm up through the weekend. And when you're starting out in the 60s, not too bad. Yeah, so 60s and 70s with a quick rebound there for northwest Arkansas. 70s back a little sooner for us in the River Valley. Looking like a good weekend there. Again, wouldn't be shocked if we had a couple 80s, especially southeast Oklahoma, there in our far southern, southwestern zones of 5 country there on Wednesday. So we'll watch that.
That sounds